So also another use case using the PAM, so it's the credential management. So actually we can onboard accounts from Active Directory, from servers, from applications, databases, from websites also, and we can manage those accounts and manage and rotate passwords, for example. Um, so here, if we go to credentials, so we can find all the credentials discovered from all the platforms onboarded into the PAM solution. And then we can select the accounts that we like to which we like to manage credentials and rotate credentials. So here, for example, for this account, so it's already configured to automatically rotate the password, its password. So you can see here the last password change. The state you that here it mentioned that the password has been already changed, and we can also check if there is a mismatch between the password complexity policy that I will show you later and the actual password. So if there is a mismatch, so a new policy or a new password will be created, and the password will be changed according to the password complexity policy. And here you can find the next change time, if of course if so if yes, it's automatically, so according to a change policy, a change schedule policy. So yeah, so we can manage any account. So yeah, if the account is has been already successfully discovered from the resources onboarded into the PAM solution. And here, for example, you can view the password. And here you can set the password duration, the time duration for viewing the password. So you can find this password here. You can copy to clipboard the password, and also you can directly copy the password to the clipboard. And now let me show you how we can set this password rotation. So if you go to platforms menu here, we should, for example, select which platform how each platform should manage its accounts password change for its accounts. For example, here for each Active Directory resource we have set password complexity policy. Here we can find all the details about this complexity policy. So those passwords will be will use 21 character and max consecutive characters. Here it's configured to 2, and here we can include and remove which characters types we want the passwords to be composed by. So here all the types are selected, so the password will contain characters, lowercase characters, uppercase, symbols, spaces, and numbers. Then you should specify the schedule for the change policy. For example, here it's every 1 hour the password will be changed, and a verification schedule. So if the password has been changed manually by the user itself, by the user who owns an Active Directory account. So, and that the password doesn't match this complexity policy. So after the verification, so the password should be reset according to the password complexity policy. So here, for example, let me say for each here, yeah, it's not a good one, because here the verification schedule should be uh, less than the schedule change policy. Here it's 1 hour, so the two schedules will be done in the same time. So here the best practice is that the verification schedule should be done before a planned scheduled change policy. And you can define for each platform its specific change, its specific password complexity, schedule change, etc. And then, as I showed to you, you can select any account or any credential and manage or unmanage. So, and you can verify manually. You can verify if there is a mismatch between the actual password and the complexity password policy. You can view the history of the changes, and as I say, and at any time you can unmanage this credential. Yeah. So I think yes, we have done with those use cases. Thank you for your attention. And if you have any questions, I will be glad to answer you.